Hello people, I got a 2008 750 Li BMW. Been having misfire problems with this car since August of this year, 2017. Went up to Jersey and went to a gas station, put some gas in the car. It had water in the gas. That was back in August once again. And now we're in November. Now, I've been putting additives in the gas to try to, burn the water out the gas. I've not been successful at that at this point. I'm beginning to think it's something else other than the gas and the water in the gas. I'm beginning to think it's like an injector or a coil pack. Can someone else who has this problem give me some advice other than going to the dealership and being ramrodded into paying for stuff that is not wrong with the car, just hit or miss? The car is, it doesn't misfire when you first cold start it and take off. I can drive for like 5 minutes and try to floor it, and it won't take it. So, if anyone out here with this problem, that has had this problem, please hit me back. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.